Good morning. It's 6:30 a.m. The sun is shining, and so are you.
Hi, Jack.
Good morning.
Hi.
Do you want some coffee?
Hey,
Jack.
Jack, over here.
Look there.
Hi, Jack.
Hi, everybody. Woohoo!
The client is very
Nice
happy.
suit. Congrats on your deal.
Thank you. Hi. Hi.
I don't have time. No, I'm not available today. Hi, Jack.
Jack. He is not my client. I
so
don't
busy.
care.
Sorry, I can't help you.
The job of a trade manager is not easy. It's never white. It's never black. One day you could be the first Jack and the other the second. The best you can say about it is that there are uncertainties. There are complications to be taken care of. Compliance and regulations, IT issues, pricing, legacy systems. They can make your day-to-day life quite uncertain. But what is certain is that we have a solid foundation with people like you. We are ready to go the extra mile and help each other to join forces across countries. We are committed to our clients. What is certain is that we are proud to be part of this multi-talented community. We act as one to be the incontestable global leader in trade finance. We are the bank for a changing world, and you are the change makers.